day before we move into our new place in Gimpo. The movers are getting in here really early, and they're apparently gonna do all of this, our whole house, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 2 or 3 hours. I just know from experience that when I moved out of 1 bedroom, it took a lot more than that, and we haven't packed a single thing. Like, nothing's packed. All our clothes are still in here. Everything is still here. I'm nervous, but they're like, my parents are like, this is what they do. Things are just so fast, they said. All this stuff going up and down one elevator, like, that doesn't make any sense. There are stairs, but we live in a tall apartment building. I don't know how that works, unless they have a helicopter and they're gonna fly things, but, yeah.
에다가 시작하고 톤을 했어. 톤을 한 다음에 왜 이래? 세라빠.
Good morning, we're moving today. Oh my god, they got here at 7 a.m. So, it's nice. So early. I feel a little sick. I'm so sick. I guess my body's adapting to the Korean viruses and bacteria. Oh god. Good morning. I'm moving. Nothing's packed. Nothing. She just woke up into the bathroom and came out and looked like this. It's like, he's just after my shoes. Oh my god, man. What the heck? Dude. We live up there. We live way up there. Whoa. So they kicked me out of my own house. They're like, get out the way. Bitch, get out the way. Get out the way. Apparently I was like, just kind of loafing around, which I am. Yeah, I'm a loaf. There we go. Bye. Walking around, patrolling. He's like, what are all these white cars doing here? And things seem kind of weird here. But you know what? Roll with it. Just roll with it. Because that's how they do it here, and they've been doing it, and everything seems to be going fine.
At a certain point, I got so bored, and I was watching the movers, and they started moving up more things, ladders and stuff. Oh my god.
What sorcery is this?
After being stunned, I had to go upstairs and see with my own eyes how this magical machine worked.
사람은 못 내려가죠 이렇게. 디즈니랜드 같아. 디즈니랜드 같아. 내려가네.
So we were leaving and the company called, and they said that the window was cracked open and broken. But the thing is it wasn't, and I think the movers did it. We think the movers did it. My parents are very honest people, and if they did it, they'd just be like, yeah, we did it. So now there's that drama.
이름 있는 회사 이런 애 해야 돼. 지갑? 예.
카드 드릴게요.
This bed, there's no frame. You just put plastic things on the bottom.
이거 플라스틱에다가
어머, 어머.
거기다 저 우드가 이렇게 같이.
Sweet, look at this. It's starting to all come through. It's only about 2 p.m. 할머니 안녕하세요. 재밌어요? I love you. 아, 배고프다. Oh yeah, watching CSI New York season 9.
Long day. Me and my dad and my grandma are gonna go get some food and bring it back to my mom.
세나야,
네?
내가 너한테 부탁 좀 한마디 할까?
뭐요?
당연하죠. 이게 더 좋은 건데.
많다 고기가. 우와.
안녕하세요.
돈이 좋기는 좋다.
그래요?